episode for higher GC News. Bima Ubibia Aquaba had the latest hot and qua Aremeyaw Bromo. Erunti Sawunya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The Bayan say over click a year subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We answer video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Share my wafufro so na when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo hanom afi ye hwe eye somewhere abeto ye pono so yiti eye sankomo ya ba beto ya sa report mama yiti
dem pese mo ditumi ne ye ya ma mutumi 8 years ya 8 years ya ma mutumi ne atia ne ye hwe mo kwase afo mo ye kenke party mo ye wache party mo ye 11 party mo tena kroma di nkwase asem 8 years ne ye hwe mo e de ne ye kan ye mo tena kroma boni patu mo petumi mo de ye den. And they all say in Kofo, Etimitina TV so Ekasa, so to me and confirm say Mama MPP bra power. They cannot make that statement. And to me through Monumumba. Why not me be an organ say Mama MPP made Ghana so actually MPP for Kwasia for we to me no. One independent minded human being or Ghana. What story about TV so not radio so say you know something, please give the NPP another chance. One will be on Ghana what can be that. From the time I move free power. Have you people heard any intelligent Ghanaian? We're making statement to say, oh, Mama NPP another chance. Ghana answer. The only people who are saying NPP needs power are the same people who foolishly 8 years, mo say chrono. 8 years, mo de galamsey say chrono. 8 years, mo de chrono, family and friends, nepotism. 8 years, mo disrespecty. Mo to me catch him for someone sorry to say nkwara. 8 years mutumi kwa una memu inso tumi fa nipa na nkwasiafo maka kire mo se ye awona fon to ma muntinka mo ma na muju se refia na nkwasiafo 8 years ye hudi amuye no kroma enti mo petumi ne mo de yeden ye tia na motama kwa we bre se oye lawyer oye yemye ne president ne eti kroma mo sa nkwasiafo we ya MPP for na ye te Ghana we were here ena mo ka kire se we oye lawyer onimnyansa yentam Ghana mano ena motena TV so opanyine jekum ne set mubu nkwasiabe an nipa de oetia nchese na adwene yetia ena yesi okay oetia ewom so oetia mom ebia na adwene nyetia enti ye de ne ba kwasiafo mokotam akora we career day ena mo se Akufo Addo lawyer ebesi ne nobody in the NPP onim nyansa has been able to provide a certificate of Akufo Addo say or a legitimate lawyer in kwasiafo masa ba say yemfa de Bawumia be president na ena muju se refiana. You are very despicable, dirty, filthy people. I am the intelligence of Ghanaians kakra. I am say 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Ghana for bo fi bibia into your refi. Ni enwudi amuye ye yentia na mokofa mikimel ba jubi Flagstaff House. Kwasi ampenyi be gina ho because president ne ba no ono wanum wi ama na adwene ase no na the seat of government yentia na mo betwa music video be ka the F word wom. Ni enti krom ha. Yanti kroma na mo enkwasiade amoye ne mo netia yanti kroma inti yanya dai yantam to minian sanfa mamo mo bodam ayana bibi yamutrim munim nyansa some more respect Ghanaians you will not even mount any stage or you not even make comment about Ghana politics and governance in the whole yatia na mkofa akwa we bae you told us na ye man to me oetia dia na adwene nyetia mokofa kwase ampanyi we ba betena Ghana so Rebecca Akufo ne mba ebie company ena one ne mma ebie company ewie ska free ho owie na one Samira Bawumia ekoji illegal salary yeti krom ha ye refi yenti krom na gabby otchere ne esankoma ejapade omukoji sika over $2 million as their consultant yenti krom ha yantia na mokofa Japade ba say Ghana egudie wa asase su nyina mo de koma abrofo ton ma mo ho UK na mo gisi refi ana enti refi we nyina na enya dan yema mutumi kwasiafo yanti krom ha ena mo ka kire say COVID-19 Russia Ukraine war enti sike wa Ghana nyina asa yanti krom ha yanti krom na mo fa dollar free 3.8 and call 17 en kwasiafo na yanti krom ha somebody should come out and challenge me that whatever I am saying is a lie. Yanti kroma na mukazo besi 88 hospitals. Moba na musi agenda 111. Move free power 8 years. Na munsi one agenda 111 hospital. Nkwa siafo. Murefi. Mujuzi ya refi. Inti yanya den. Yama mutumi. Na mufanya den. Yati kroma ha. And I'm one district, one factory. And district be a benya factory. Inti ye nyina ye ndi mochi Bawumia Akufo Addo gabby otchere darko otchere mensabonsu de Kennedy Agyapong Brian Chapo inkwasiafo for sala be saye ye nti krom ha one district one factory and the factory ben and government there under one district. One constituency 1 million. Where is the 1 million per constituency? 8 years. Now I know what you say Jimmy ana. No matter for career day dwarf we be say we di onimnyansa. Yet krom ha na mukase mo be NAPO. And the Minoka say, one year plan or Ghana say, or you or NAPO. Kwasiafo. You are foolish people. Munimunyansa. You think say you real fear there easily. Come and tell me what I'm saying is a lie. NAPO ni ba kumpoeng. Muhu fin. Motete Ghana. Munumu kankante aburochire. Mojun say yina ye Jimmy. Mojun say omani echichire no. Ye the tribe na echichire. We are asking serious questions. Yanti kromha 52 billion. Ghana cedis, 52 billion cedis. Bank of Ghana, revenue, taxes, fought through the Ghana Commercial Bank, Naira. 52 billion. Kwasi avote is what to Ghana say, Yamamu to me, what to me yedeng. We are asking you people, what are you using the power for? Ye Jimmy, ye nimi answer. Yatihana mo hijack court. Yeti krona makache se Ghana for. Yekuta passport, yekuta birth certificate cry. We are not Ghanaians. In Kwasiafo that is what you told us. You told us to say yekuta Ghana passport, yekuta birth certificate. It does not even qualify us from being Ghanaians. In Kwasiafo amona nanom kwatena bruchire twitwa brofo toilets. Amko yan kwasi adwuma sa ba ba ka mambo am yan chire Ghana. Mo ka kire say we were not Ghanaians. You people think we have forgotten all these things? You people think say ye yankwasiafo. Inti where ye refi inti anya den. Inti anya den. Yen sorry anya den. Yema MPP mbra power na mombe ye den. One constituency, one dam ba kumpo Ghana. Yatia I even forgot. Yatia obiko jina epo ano say obi epo. Nkwasiafo. Are we not you know the same people na ne omote wo Ghana. Yentie na Professor Frimpong Boateng e the report be kire say eye galamsey. Omomugu eye Flagstaff House, Lord Komi, Kojo Kyeremanteng, Chairman Wontumi, Gyamfi a National Women's Organizer. Yabebo gabby otchere edi wo report him say monchi omo ya galamsey kwasiafo de na mo ye de na mo ka kire. Inti anti ye remfi we nyina. Ni anya den. Na inti be betena ha me say MPP mbra power. Ana mo bobodam. Ayana munimu nyansa. De bia me ka kire mo say ayana mo dwen say ye refi ye be kai Ghana for every day. Ye nyandru hompo. We will remind the people the pain and what they share omakumem. Yenti krom ha. You people went to see one regional hospital for 8 years. Mubo besia che aban bi e wo Ghana for 8 solid years. You people could not build one regional hospital. Yet yana motam 58 to 60 million dollars. Mude akoto amena se cathedral. Kwasiafo. Mutu amena, do you know what $60 million can do? Do you fools, MPP pigs? Do you know what $60 million? There is a reason why we insult people like you. Mutam $60 million etu amena da ho. Inyan intianya den, yenjai de ne anya muden, ne yama mutumi. Tumi amode ya den, mode ba be chichire den. These are the things we will remind you people every single day about. These are things that we will never forget. These are things that every day we will remind you and let Ghanaians know the kind of piglets you people are. Moju say refi, it in kamobana mbetieti ma, not 2 days ya no, yes MPP. Mogbodam. Ye bedi matama church masi. Ama Ghana for the way and how we have to treat you people. We are not done. Yeti kromha. And Alesta Matthias, Al Jazeera for your documentary. Ekachere said, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo. He is involved in gold smuggling. Alesta Matthias, Yatiane Akufo Addo, because you catch say, or try letter Akosu Al Jazeera. Yatiha. Akufo Addo court no. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, did he go to court? Didn't you Kroma? Alesta Matthias, Gold Mafia, Al Jazeera for a documentary on the president of the state. Nane Akufo Addo, and until you people have no moral right to even discuss Ghana politics. Nane Akufo Addo wanko court no. I don't know wanko court no. Al Jazeera for a retract no. Why didn't he go to court? He didn't go to court because you people think say you refi. You people are born ingrate, dirty criminals. You are filthy criminals. Ingrate. Mumbu Ghana for. Into Mujin say 2 days near Renfi, now Makoka assembly into your Renfi problems. Your Renfi you or Yawa Mode Ghana for Femu. Or Yawa Mode Mahama a Ghana for Femu. I know Mujin say Andre Chia Refi. I know Mujin say Andre and Kai into Mosi and Yamudeng. Anytime mutum betena social media muntumi mbiem anonka say Ghana for ntuma MPP because Ghana for nyankwasiafo. Still I know you nkwasiafo or Ghana, but Ghana for in general they are not stupid. And we are going to take our time and remind Ghanaians as we move along. Every single step we take as a nation, we will remind you Ghana for. We let Ghanaians know the kind of people you are. Every for Asansa for. Anka yame ni anya dia anka kwa we vice president yame ni anya di okrom ha anka kwa we kobedi vice president yame ni anya din as a nation say yama ya adwene amba fie na say yanka ehwan bom and take decisions andwene anka kwase yampa we be vice president. How? Why should this happen? In summer and the year who Ghana the exposés, the things we are discovering Edubuahin, any air sky train, any the eba, in Tinkabayan Sanka Sanyuma when I was going to go on. Sankabayan Sa Nyoma and the year discover Kronoa ya boye, Sika ye ria, any Bank of Ghana, Kronomo boye and the MPP, Sankayan Tua Bentia MPP, and I wouldn't have been able to discover any of these things. In this Net2 TV, so can say, Mekasama MPP or Yaboa. Because on what basis are you speaking for the MPP? On what grounds are you speaking for the NPP? Into then I'll say, yeah, yes, and come to me, the same people are now. She will lift and take and hand over power to the same people who did these things to us. It's in Kebetna, near Kacha Ghana for saying, Mamon Toma Jomahama Bium, Mamon Toma NDC, near power Mahuanamo. Yame nyanya dianka clown way, Jimmy way, and Kobedi vice president. This is what I mean by we are not going anywhere. This is what I mean, but we are going to be here for 42 years and make sure we keep you out of power. Yet Ghana and a mobile power, Mokotamo 2 4 2. Motam to say chalewote, Motamo 2 for chale, and I'm going to Buankra. Ebe sinde, want to block back Buankra. Debi amosore na mudi asantefo di nkwasiasem e na asantefo na to me e na party ni de so e na asantefo mutiti asantefo se moa because mo study asantefo mu se omo mu bia gimi ba enyi nyina na egimi e so mutia se nya asantefo nko na betu ma MPP aba power e ye Ghana fo otumfo kro yo tumfo mu bu nanim tia tam ne se esika mu se chale e de ne ko Buankra se mu kotwa sword Buankra inland port na we moa entinka me betena ha Mema me refi we nyina na menya den na menka se MPP Bawumia Kennedy Agyapong wan Brian Champon na mombe den yenya sa mistake ni biemu senka ya ansesa aba ansesa yensa anka Ken Ofori Atta da ho ya finance minister anka he will still be in Ghana, he will still be in the Flagstaff house pulling strings. Do you know that? Anamurefi senka ya ansesa bemu Sanka yampam nkofo we anka Ken Ofori Atta da ho te Ghana as a minister. Do you know the danger that we have been able to prevent? Yeah, Jimmy Kurado, we should not allow that danger close to us again. We need to do everything possible to stop that danger. Nyoma ebe sisi amu nyante ye no. Se motimu ba kwa MPP for mu ho onkamo be hye omo. These are dangerous demons. These are devilish people. These are people who don't care about Ghanaians. Ken Ofori Atta senka power ansesa de ekoso nyina nanka munnim ba kumpo anka oda ho te Ghana eda ho ye minister of state. Mahamadu Bawumia beka chese Paulugu Dam almost spending over $15 million. Paulugu Dam no way. Onji sika nkonko ye de dam wo di krom ema ni krom fo sremfo. Mahamadu Bawumia Paulugu Dam no, where is the dam? And all these things I'm saying, Wontumi one MPP communicator to come and say I am lying. These are facts. Over $11 million. Bawumia Jesus can so koye dam no way. One district, one dam. Srim wanya ba kumpo one dam. And then Kwasi Afobejina say we should look at the NPP. Look at the NPP for DN. Huh? Ibu samo internally be mutam say mo pese ye de yenya den yama mutumi na mo fanya den. Who is intelligent in the MPP? More hono nipa foforo bi na eba na. Are you people bringing some new crop of people or the same people we know? Ye pese hu more some new group of people be amode ba, and I say the same people we know, because if the same people we know, the things I am listing today are what are the things they did. Did they Uncle for Ghana MPP 48 team? Eye dede. Yeah. And I'm gonna say inflation in less than 6 months. John Mahama be president for 5 months. May 2025 inflation drops to 18.4 from 21.2 in April. About 18.4, lowest rate since March 2022. Since 2022, Bawumia also a economic whiz-kid. Bodam Nibianam Ghana also an economist. And the Bodam Nibianam Ghana also a professor. Bodam Nibianam Ghana also a politician. Bawumia or economist. In 2022, and Mahamadu Bawumia Tna Ghana went to make move inflation number below a year 20. Mahamadu Bawumia MPP for now move inflation to 57. Yaka inflation send your nyoma boa ding. And the John Mahama be president 5 months. We move from 57 at the Ababedru 18.4. 18.4. Just a nyoma boa edin atiaba form. And it is going to show. It is showing actually Jimmy for more Ghana person Bediatuo. This is what we call governance. This is what we call governance. Governance that comes with results. And that is what we believe in. That is what we want to protect. But when we are saying on economics, we are saying, Kennedy Agyapong put on school papa bia. Why be why the name answer when people will to my side way? None of these guys, none of these fools, economic management team, FX committee, still the dollar was at 17. Fuel, move free power, now and the top petrol close to 16. Why should we today be sitting here and entertaining the MPP? Why should we be sitting here and entertaining a party that is like Pinocchio? Every single statement they make, these are criminals. This is the NDC, and this is what we voted for. What you say, you think say we Ghanaians are stupid? What you say, What you say we don't look at other countries how they are developing? You think the Ghana of where Jimmy say every day they will sit in jandam, propaganda, tribalism. Ghanaians are beyond. We are above jandam. We are above tribalism. We are above tribal politics. Ghanaians are looking for results, and that is what the NDC is giving the people. It is not about how you feel. How you feel about me is your problem. You don't like me because I don't speak good about your party. It is because you don't have any facts to do what? To tell the people that what I'm saying is a lie. Ever since there, none of the piglets have been able to bring one document to challenge anything I put on air. Why? It is because omo party no yemfa no kure entina party ni. The President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama Kasa, also oral uncovers 33 corruption cases against past appointees. 33 cases, President Akasa or say they are ready for prosecution. 33 cases, Mr. President of the Republic, President Mahama Eba Power, or any campaign or opposition, or say, or better be a friend oral. Omo no mba hwehwehwe nyomem no mu se kronu bia ba ombefo de nyoma de ama the Attorney General and Yoko for them to officially take over and investigate say sebio ade no mo kan no kure wom. And the president didn't say eye MPP aban omo mo bebu ye fa so wi ayesika no omo nya cases 33, and those 33 cases are ready for the Attorney General to prosecute. Kwasi e bi ntina nka say we de yaba power na we power da ben. And they are going to prosecute all these people. They are going to make sure all these people go to jail. They are going to make sure that party no boni amudi these people na asiedi ketia can't say me. People are hiding behind party to say yabo krono ajaye. It does not work like that again. Time at time we need power. Okufori Atta ekofa obotan deal ba ya obebu senate for efaso. JJ Rollins catch at time say onchi Okufori Atta ntum. I have done that story here. Forensic audit was done on Obotan deal now. Ken Ofori Atta earlier a snit. stole over 500 million, almost 5 billion in 2009. Ken Ofori Atta ewia saska no. Ena JJ Wallace kachire Atamon say, "Chesa kwani shem." Forensic audit came out to say Ken Ofori Atta has defrauded Ghanaians. Senate na a pension for sika. Ken Ofori Atta e kreti e ghost company and on it Senate for ekoye club a partnership and o wias kan nyina and akwasi ampanyi we Atamels eye father for all oja Ofori Atta mane kwasha abrochire and ye ti krom ha and Ofori Atta ko e no kodane no ho and okoshe white shirt and osabaye obaye no and ye jiminti MPP nkwasiafo odwin say ye jiminti omo share no white shirt and osabaye and obe finish ye totally. And John Mahamadu Bawumia, nasa muamodi bone no, we are actually going after you. I will say, this is witch hunting. What but damn, person fighting witch hunting and go to court. You want to hide behind party and protect criminals? That is not going to happen in Ghana. Into the I'm sorry, yes, about power, you better say it. You think that is a deterrent? Send a government, you know, any abiding to me the omoye. One I must say John Mahamadu to me take action. You will see your smoothness level. Into 33 cases are ready for prosecution, and people are going to rot and die in jail. Majority of you, the NPP appointees, but it is coming. You people are criminals. Just say, what the NPP doesn't like, and they say, free. Say and free or more. That is the mentality of the NPP. And typical Asantini Kakra or NPP, that is Adjune Danitrim. Say yani dia also be atiasie. Now say other view dia nobody should understand. And the old tataye. Me John Magana for whom I was said John Mahamani NDC for 33 cases way, they need to prosecute every single one of them. So 4 years John Mahamani to me I'm prosecuting you now. You better demonstration by John Mahamani sat so every year in 8 years. Yes. We got what bottom. Me say 33 cases way, we will make sure every single one of them is prosecuted or it's dealt with. So John Mahamani we 33 way in 4 years. You better you krum, you better demonstration, you better force Ghana for and democratically. You are force John Mahamani manatnaso and me finish case no. There was one tears no uncle mentia. I know you say a chrono a nipa bi dia. Mobo chrono and kwasha politics echi. Oh, medium MPP ni na obi to meet na TV say adana a yoku a question chairman Wontumi. Na chairman Wontumi aboa we o chen hwan. Chairman Wontumi ono ani kro before Asante for say no moka fa no ho. Chairman Wontumi aboa kromfo we. Obi ntia say and the year question chairman Wontumi. Who the hell is chairman Wontumi? Who is chairman Wontumi? Oya hwan.
Abani ni di crab many beji ho ba. Abani ni di ani. Oh, many beji ho. Me MPP ni bet no kro na America no. Enje me Wontumi ye me busuani. Chairman Wontumi. Chairman Wontumi papa na di me fie akonya. Your friend na nantwi bo si akon. Nti Chairman Wontumi ye me bra straight. Na me problem a odi abra ye busuafo ye okro ma ne say obi ehun a ohun se obi bi ni Wontumi a na wo bra ba je kwan so oye Wontumi anya enti ye kra problem a wo mu ha no. Enye ye kra na ye contract ne fan se busuafo ye wa ne ye nkan me say ose kwan we oje gates be ye me wan wase kwan no obi a waje gates de e kwan de ye nwi kwan ho se oje gates a enti ahana na nya ka na ye masisi na bi ewu esi obusa kroma obi abeka akyerɛw adoaro o me de eh me de pa chama unti so aboga na for form contract na omo keka se wagigi nyina no na ye me ya me kwa comment video bi ase se aha ka ho Chama Wontumi na nkasa mehunu kromu hada a wode ne machines excavators any pilots anyaka akro de begu kromu akra na nya agro oh first na quota wo so onam so hu na ye potholes ba ku mienu bi keke hwe ebi kra mponi so ensu senior since that time now omudwi ye no emfuturo ne accident nko na ekue kwan accident omo ye rare nkra ma menim wa na ne cars be nya accident ni so monum dia president mama cars na di na chiri pickups no ebenya accident wa obenya cars two crash oh me farm na nim wa Chama Wontumi o man dem because je wo ye na wa ye ne ye sika no nya wo dia ye se fa ye kwan no ye ngeli no ye wo ye ne abro pa na wa ye no aha no ai etutu no abumba sisa gold ni fin na mo fa efiri amantia kuro bi wo ho no mo so duru ho na otu sa anwea na e gold wo mu to wo hese gold wo anwea no ma on fa no mbegu kwan no so da o ma mo be twem
Chema Wontumi de me aban ni dikra me mani beje ho.
Na utumi share obi o se adentina aban question Chema Wontumi. Adentina aban question MPP for inti yenti bi da inti enye den inti enyina yenkowu mo bodam. Ken Ofori Atta kromfo wi Ken Ofori Atta I did his scandal. Atamils na mamu nkwasiafo mu dwane ye. But at this point, ya mo bi ndwane biom. Every single person ya tie na Ken Ofori Atta fa snit fo sika dwane ye. But the document be kire mo snit. When you read, go menko baby, you can just use a AI and Google about Obotan scandal, the Obotan. Before inti yere mfini enjaiwe. The Obotan scandal involves allegation of financial misconduct related to a 2.2 million investment. This is 2001, 1990s. We are talking about $2.24 million. Obotan Ken Ofori Atta ne kreti me the forensic audit ne kiremo me van kiremo da uridia or say investment by Ghana's Social Security and National Insurance Trust in a housing project proposed by Ken Ofori Atta's company Data Bank Financial Services. Ken Ofori Atta the Data Bank omu kreti ejuma and omo hihye ma snit. Ken Ofori Atta ewiwe and the Motigana catcher say mama yenka mo asem kwasiafo. I will say the government needs to go after every single one of you. Now, when you read the document, this is what it says. The project, known as Obotan Garden of Eden, was planned in the late 90s but never materialized, raising concerns about the handling of workers' pension funds. Ken Ofori Atta Data Bank in the 90s, kreti ejuma ebi enom de swasnet na eye pension for Ghana. Omo pension omo sika. $2.2 million, $2.24 million, and on the data bank, it's a Jumanema snets. And I can Ofori Atta way a booyah fast. So that time, a forensic audit was put together. Go and Google and check it. Inti and I can Ofori Atta BMA Saba BM. Now, Wabebo Coronia Penachina, Kwasiebisa Aden and Wotata Ofori Atta or Yare. Now, when you read the document, let me read the next document in show. Me what document in Ankasa Oho, and every time Debi Amika, I will never sit here and do MMO or Bodam. Me the document in a bit show. Now, a forensic report accused, a forensic report. I didn't make it up. There was a forensic report put together. There was a forensic report put together. And what did the forensic report say? And this is Ken Ofori Atta. This is some of the dubious things he did. A forensic report accused Data Bank, Awono Law Consultancy, and Enterprise Insurance Company Limited, or the Data Bank, Enterprise Insurance, and there was one company called Awono Law Consultancy, Sanko Fumisawi, they duped Ghana $2.24 million in the 90s. Unim sika yakan wasem. Do you know sikana yakan wasem unim en wasama unim sika ketwa. Unim sika ketwa. This is what Ofori Atta uses, Enterprise Insurance. The same Enterprise Insurance came back with Ejapade, with PDS. Urefi PDS, Enterprise Insurance, and they insurance. Urefi PDS. Ken Ofori Atta was in PDS. Na eti Ghana ne kasa, kwasi afomo mayen kasa, mo petumi, mo di tumi yeden. Now when you go for it, the report recommended criminal prosecution for key individuals, including Ofori Atta, but legal proceedings stalled over the years. The scandal resurfaced in political discussions, with critics pointing to alleged nepotism and financial mismanagement. This is Ken Ofori Atta's terminal report. He was supposed to be prosecuted. Atamils in Japan, Atamils Jano. Then the Mahama is making sure the right thing is done. Munkwasi afoti ti Ghana said yen obi politics, obi tata, obi mo Jimmy Young, mo MPP for. Ayana munim nyansa. Enti de bia me ka kire mo, me say what you are seeing today, you are going to see more. You are going to see a lot. You don't even know what is coming. Enti ana me busa mo say enti Ghana for nya den. What do you want Ghanaians to do? First, Nana Ghana for any how to search for information. First, Nana ma hijack Ghana media because what Ghana hona mobile be nkwasia radio and na data Ghana for into Ghana for the do what you people want is what Ghanaians believe. For a very long time, about 30 years, na Ghana for any story. Ye nim no kure because mo ebie Akamfo radio na modi twa Ghana fotro. So when we came in, you want to do everything possible to stop us. No, we are not going anywhere. Yejinem. If you say anya sa, enkwasiafo bi te someone mo MPP mu no, mo be say kuro no. Anything that me, I am here. Anything that you see my team, they are still here. Anything that we are still doing what we are doing. Obibeka say, Kevin Taylor, why you Juma? NDC about power, Mahama about power. Sit back. I'm not going to sit back. I am going to still make sure, say, maybe munkwasi adia so akai Ghana for every day. Mekai Ghana for akopim some party ebegu. Near the beti VIP. Na me jai. Me good party no, but I just want to make sure that party never exists on this planet. Me guno. And you see, I am not done with the NPP. Debi ameka chemo, me menya ba yira aberwa dweo, menya easy sao. We ye before now here NPP. Momo bodam.
Yo, it is for when a reporter abato yepono so meka say so when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe. Now while like video no, give us a thumbs up. Now fe share ma wo foforo so na we be here na wo hu ensemwa ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum. Also betimi otchere wadwen afa somewhere nyina ho e comment box no mo beti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.